Hi, this is Steve Naklis, and here's a quick video on how to launch Evernote and create a quick note. First, I'm going to come down to my icons and launch the Evernote program. Now, Evernote runs on a PC, Mac, all kinds of tablets, iPhone, Android, even on BlackBerry. I'm going to go over to the Notes section, and you'll notice that my notes are listed. I could also show them to you by notebook and even by different tags that we've assigned to these notes. I'm just going to go to Notes and tell it I want to make a new note. Notice it's going to put it in my inbox for now. Inbox is just a notebook that I have set up. Notice the dot in front of it. That way when I'm looking at my notebooks over here on the left, the inbox always shows up at or near the top. Brother Scans and the to-do list with the exclamation point in front of it or some other special ones. If I know I want to put it in a certain mailbox, for example, this is going to be a video about Camtasia, that might go under training if I had such a notebook. I don't at the moment. So I'll go ahead and create a training notebook, and that way I can say, let's put it under that notebook. We'll call it simply training. And now as I highlight training, I'm in the training folder, and now it says new note in training. So we'll go ahead and click that, and then we'll title it How to Make a Note in Evernote. It's as simple as dictating if you have a Mac, exclamation point. In this case, I've just punched my function key 2 times, and I can actually dictate the note that I want to Evernote, period. New paragraph. This makes it very simple to create the note I want. Now I simply press the function key again, and as you can see, I've got my note. Now this note can have many other things added to it. We can have videos, we can have pictures, not video yet, but we can have PDF, JPEG, any kind of file attachment that you want can be attached. All I have to do is click the attachment clip, go find the file that I want. So maybe I want this listing agreement. I can put it right into the Evernote. I can even mark the Evernote up. Here's a markup tool that's built right into Evernote, a great thing to have. In this case, maybe I just want to show somebody or point out how to read a contract or how to read a certain item. So I'll go ahead and put an arrow there. I could put some words in like this, and so on. Close it. And lo and behold, I have marked up this note. I can then hit the synchronize button at the top of the screen. I've now synchronized this note with my Evernote account. I can close the note, go do something else. Everything I have done is now visible on my iPad, my iPhone, even another computer if I want to bring up the web version. Very, very powerful, very easy to do features. And with the professional version of Evernote, which is about $45 a year, every word of every attachment is searchable. So if I wanted to search for the word built-in items right here, I can actually do that. So every single word of every single note and attachment in Evernote is actually indexed and searchable. This is a tremendous value. I'll give you an example of that. I was recently at the Apple store in Houston buying some accessories for my MacBook, and I met a salesman over there, and then I wanted to get back in touch with him. I couldn't remember his name, but I did happen to take a picture of his business card using my iPhone when I was in the office. I recall that he worked at the Memorial City store. So here's all my notes, and I will search those notes for the word memorial. Sure enough, 6 notes were found, including John Pirtle's note right here. And as you can see, as I scroll down, the word Memorial City is prominently displayed right on his business card that I had taken a picture of. This is a huge feature. Notice in the previous screen, it's even smart enough to recognize the word memorial. Guys, even if you hand print notes on Post-it cards or other items of paper, as long as you print rather legibly, Evernote will even read your writing, and handwritten notes can later be scanned to find what you're wanting. This is great when you go to a conference and take some notes. You'll be able to find what you're looking for later in Evernote. It truly is something for everywhere that you go. I hope this has been helpful to you today, and you've learned a little bit about how Evernote works. We'll have another session later, and I'll introduce you to items such as emailing to your Evernote account, scanning items into your account, adding tags, and supercharging your Evernote for real estate. For First American Title, this has been Steve Nacklis. Thanks for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.